welcome to kushtech. I'm back again with another video. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can update your PUBG mobile emulator to Erangel 2.0, the newest update by the game. And I haven't used any third-party application or method to update the game. So guys, please watch this video till the end and don't skip any of the steps to update the game. I will show you the safer way to update it. So before starting our video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so when I upload a video you will get notified.
Now, let the show begin.
So first of all, I want to tell you one thing. I have updated the game in the emulator, but after updating it shows 100% downloaded. But it fails because after updating the emulator didn't run properly and it shows this. Failed to open the emulator, error code 1. And my all data was wasted. So for updating the game to its newest version, first of all uninstall your current emulator, as I do. Then delete all the files of the emulator, the temp folder and all other folders related to the emulator. And then restart your PC. After restarting your PC, download the newest version of the emulator. If you don't know from where to download the newest version of the emulator, the link is given in the description guys. You can download from there. After downloading the emulator, install the emulator. Then download the game inside the emulator. Wait for some time till it gets downloaded. As you can see, the game is downloaded and started automatically and it's working properly. So we are successfully done here in updating our game to Erangel 2.0. Now I am going to show you a short gameplay of this update. Thanks for watching friends. Please like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that red box on my channel. Thank you and Jai Hind.